toddlers! Vroom Vroom! It's your favorite vehicle club. Let's go Vroom TV. We make a show about vehicles and race them against each other. We learn about colors, letters, numbers, and teamwork along the way. We're all pretty different people here. Miko likes animals and playing guitar. Ronnie loves singing love songs. Zach always likes to win. And I like trains, dogs, and fixing things. But what we all have in common is we all love vehicles. Cars, planes, trucks, trains, you name it. We love it. That's why we started the Let's Go Vroom TV Club. It's all friendly and in good fun. Most of the time. Join in the fun. Let's vroom into learning with Let's Go Vroom TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos.